Welcome to our guide on connecting your Zendesk application with Enzo. Start by logging into your Enzo platform. Once you're in, navigate to Global Settings. Next, move to Apps, and from there, click on Connect Apps. Now, from the list of applications, you'll want to select Zendesk. You'll then need to enter a connection name. This name can relate to your organization, your product, or any other suitable identifier. Decide whether your Zendesk application should be accessible to all AI agents or restricted to certain AI agents based on your needs, and then click on Connect. At this point, you'll need to enter your Zendesk URL. To find it, head over to Zendesk, copy the URL from the link, and paste it into the designated field. After that, simply click on Add Account. Enzo might request permission for the integration with Zendesk. Once you click Allow, the connection will be successfully established. Since we've already allowed the necessary permissions, our Zendesk application is now connected. If in the future you decide you want to remove the connection, just return to this section, click on the 3 dots next to your connection, and select Delete. And that's how you integrate Zendesk with your Enzo platform.